Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to another vlog. Oh, you can see my vision board in the back here. If you watched my last vlog, you would have seen how I, put this together. But anyway, yeah, so today is Friday, January 23rd. It's actually my husband's birthday. So I'm going to ask you guys to go in the comments and wish him a happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ryan. And also, tomorrow is my mom's birthday. So go ahead and wish her a happy birthday as well. We have so many January birthdays. It's like us November people. You know what I mean? But anyway, as you saw earlier in the clip, I am making some banana fritters for breakfast. I'm not sure what I'm gonna make with that just yet, but yeah. So I will catch you guys later because I think it's burning. Hi guys, so I just left work. I'm now in the parking lot at the grocery store. So this vlog, disclaimer, this vlog is going to be a mini vlog, so don't come for me. Better something than nothing, right? So yeah, don't come for me. So yeah, consistency, we're being consistent. So whether you get a 5-minute vlog or a 20-minute vlog, you're getting something. Okay, so just chill out. But anyway, yeah, so we had planned to go to dinner today, but yeah, the weather has other plans. It's going to be too cold today. It's going to be freezing. In the evening, the temperature is going to drop so drastically. I heard that there's going to be a wind chill and it's going to take the temperature all the way down to maybe -20. That's cold. And then it's going to be freezing cold tomorrow, and Sunday there is a massive snowstorm heading our way into Monday. So pray for us, guys. It's gonna be terrible, so I heard. So yeah, that's our reality right now. Nobody never tell me to come living at the North Pole, just so it go. For those of you who are in the northeastern part of the United States, just be safe. If you don't have to go out, don't go out. It's gonna be terrible. So yeah, let me just run into this. Oh my god, by the way, my hair looks terrible. I have to get it done this weekend. I normally do my hair myself, thank god. Ryan usually just shape the back for me and I perm it and I do my thing. Yeah, I feel like this hairstyle suits me a lot, time to time when I feel like I'll switch it up, but this is my go-to hairstyle. But anyway, that's not the point. Let's run into the supermarket. I want to show you these cute little coffee cups that I got from Amazon. How cute are they? It's pink. Not sure if you can tell. Yeah, you should be able to. Yeah, I'm not a pink girl, but I saw these and I'm like, too cute to pass up. So yeah, I'm gonna do my little coffee to go in this, and it's a what's the size? 14 ounce. So yeah, perfect. And I also got and I also got this. It's collagen peptides. I need this and I would highly recommend this to you guys. So yeah. And I did mention that I want to give up coffee I am going to give up coffee for Lent. So let's see how that goes. Fingers crossed. Pray for me, guys. Oh, I thought I was done with the mini Amazon haul, but I received this today as well. This is a popcorn maker and it's from the brand Dash. I also got the kernels. Is that what you call it? Yeah, and also popcorn seasoning and the popping oil. So yeah, and these are from the brand Orville. Yeah, so perfect for a cute little movie night. So that's why I got this. I actually wanted to get the Beautiful brand by Drew, but I could not find it at Walmart, so I had to settle for this because I'm a Drew Barrymore girl. I'm a beautiful girl, pun intended, and no pun intended. But yeah, I love that brand, beautiful, but I could not find that one. I saw it some time ago. I was gonna get it, but I'm like, okay, let's just wait. But went back on there, could not find it, so I had to settle for this one. So yeah. All right, so this is our dinner. This is General Tso's chicken, I think. This is called a popo platter. We have fried rice, white rice, and over there we have cake for Ryan. He didn't want anything major, he just wanted something plain, so we did that. So yeah, this is our dinner. As I mentioned earlier, we were supposed to go out for dinner, but the weather is nasty, so we opted to stay. So we're gonna enjoy this, and I'll talk to you guys later. Saturday, so I am making soup again. So this is red peas with smoked turkey neck. I have made this in one of my previous vlogs. Go check it out. I think it was in my Vlogmas series. Yeah. So yeah, this is what we're looking like so far. I have not added all the ingredients just yet, but yeah. It's so cold outside, guys. It's like negative, maybe 10 or so. Yeah. And tomorrow, as I mentioned, we're going to get a massive snowstorm that leads into Monday. So yeah, we're making some soup. Ryan actually requested this, so yeah, we're doing that. So I'm here checking out my friend Sandia's video. She does home decor content. She's very talented, so I'm gonna put her information somewhere on the screen so you guys can check her out. All right? And we've been friends for about 20 years. So yeah, go support her. I've added fresh new baby's breath to my mini vase. I don't know, for me it gives softness, femininity, and just sophistication. Love it. As I mentioned to you guys, I perm my hair myself, so this is the relaxer that I use. It's from Dark and Lovely, as you can see, and I use this shampoo. Love it. And then I'd use this by Opalex. Love this as well. I also use a scalp serum. I mostly use this whenever I like wash my hair, so I use this as well. So I am going to go perm my hair now, but of course I'm going to do that off camera, so I'll check in with you guys later on. And I forgot to mention that I use this as well. I absolutely love Whey products. They're so good. And yeah, so this is hair oil. So I use a little bit of this, like when my hair is wet, just a little bit. And then when it's dry and I want to style it, I go in again with some of this. Yeah, love this so much, and it smells absolutely amazing. I don't know, I think it smells a little eucalyptusy, if that makes sense, or if that's a word. But yeah, it smells so good. Sometimes I use this hair bonding oil from Opalex. It's really good too. Love it. As you can see, I put a dent in it, so I definitely have to repurchase. But yeah, it's really good. I would definitely recommend this one and the Whey hair oil. I have decided to wash my makeup brushes too, the ones that I use on a daily. So yeah, I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna use this Sephora Deep Cleansing Brush and Sponge Shampoo. Alright, so my makeup brushes are all nice and clean, so it's time to go do my hair. I just received 2 of the items that I purchased from Shein. A Shein haul is coming. Look out for that, maybe next week or the week after, but it's coming. So I received this crochet or mesh dress. It's a maxi dress. Love it. Yes, it's winter time now, but don't worry about that. I have plans for this dress, okay? And this burgundy jumpsuit. So I am going to try them on now to see how they fit. But yeah, as I said, stay tuned for the Shein haul. I have more stuff coming in. So I'm giving you guys a little sneak peek, but you have to stay tuned for the haul.